Alright guys, so the BMW is down. Headed back to California soon. Tow guy should be out here later today to pick it up, so. But yep, that's the car, so you guys see it. Should do some good footage for the channel. I'm gonna fix a couple things before I send it back to him. Probably try to patch that rust spot for him or whatnot. But overall, it's alright, not bad. My buddy is happy, so that's all that matters. Quick, easy sell for him. You guys see the interior, super solid. Headliner not sagging. Yep. So you guys see it. It's an 83-533E. Stay tuned, guys. I'll drop some more content once we get it back to the shop.